Alright, so this is the XTUGA ES-602 USB. It's connected to my Audio-Technica 2035 on the mic channel number 5, and it's connected to the record output to my Steinberg UR22 MK2. Alright, so I've disconnected everything else, and I have the Steinberg UR MK22 being monitored by Audacity. Alright, so you can see that there's no noise right now. The aux tape is the dial that is making the noise. When it's set to 10, it makes no noise, as you can see. But when I set it to 0, you can see that it's clearly making a lot of noise. I guess what I'll do is I will save a small audio file, and then I will send you the audio file along with the video file. So I will record this. Alright, I'll record that. I recorded that, and I'll send that as well. So there's no actual gain being sent out by anything. You can see that there's no audio connected to my microphone, right? And there are no other connections. It's just that one aux tape. Alright, so you might have noticed if you replay the video that this stopped monitoring when I hit the stop button, but when I hit the start button, the noise is back. I'll turn this all the way to 10 again. You'll see one more time there's no noise. When I turn it to 0, the noise comes back. Alright, thank you.